Hey everybody, this is Amir. I'm following up on my AI review engine video that I did a few days ago, the day prior to AI review engine's official product release date. And in that video, I talked about how I'm restarting essentially my affiliate marketing business after 4 years. And as you can see here, my last video prior to this one was 4 years ago, where I was doing my own video reviews, and these were all connected to a a product review website that I had, where I wrote my own reviews. I studied the products I was reviewing, and I manually wrote out these reviews, and it took a lot of time. And ultimately, I wasn't getting good value on the time that I spent doing these reviews. And it wasn't always the case. My first year doing product reviews, I did quite well because a lot of my reviews were getting high rankings on the Google search engines, on the Google search engine, I should say. But with the algorithm updates and things like that, I eventually lost my rankings, and I was relying heavily on my videos to drive customers to sales pages and get sales and stuff like that. So anyway, what happened is obviously this year there's been a lot of buzz about AI and how advanced AI has become. And we all know about Chat GPT and how you can ask it a question, and almost any question, or you can ask it to write you an article, and it comes up with this incredible, unique article that it's incredible how far AI technology has come. And now we have this product called AI Review Engine, where it takes one of the most popular business models for affiliate marketers, which is creating product reviews, and it creates them automatically for you. So in this video, I was talking about how I'm really interested in basically rebooting my business by using AI review engine at the center to create these reviews automatically. And it took me, this video is actually a couple days overdue because I actually had some issues. Let me come over to my WordPress blog here. I actually had some issues getting AI review engine installed. And well, not installed, but functioning, I should say. Apparently, so what would happen for a while, and I'm going to point this out because some of you may run into the same issue. What would happen is I would put in the product URL and the affiliate link, just like it tells you to do in the demo. But when I would create the post, it would create an empty post. I would just have a post with nothing in it except for the call to action button with my affiliate link. And so what I did is I reached out to the support team, and they responded to me right away, and they were very helpful. So that was really cool to see. And they said, do you have credits to use your OpenAI key? Because when you set up this plugin, one of the first things that you have to do is link up OpenAI, and they tell you how to do that in the tutorial. But unless I missed it, one of the things that they didn't tell you is that you have to have credit in your OpenAI account. I did not have credit. I was making the assumption that it was free, so I went ahead and deposited $10 into my OpenAI account. That $10 became my $10 worth of credits, and I tested this out again. And boom, I had this is my, I have two posts here. This was the one that I tried previously. You can see an empty post with nothing but a call to action button. After I added the credits, however, I had an actual post generated by AI. As you can see, it's got bullet points, it's got a conclusion, and it reads very well. The AI review engine offers a range of services and functionality. The grammar is excellent. It's not like these. I forgot what they were. I'm so rusty. I've been out of the game for 4 years, but there used to be a way to create articles automatically, and they never, the grammar was always horrible, basically. So now with the advancements of AI, it's nothing like that anymore. And so what I'm going to do here, actually, just to show you that what's so incredible about this plugin and AI, is I'm going to create a post, another post, using the same exact website. I had, excuse me, I had it scanning this website here, AI Review Engine live, and it was creating an article off of this website right here. This is the sales page for AI Review Engine, and I was having it create a review article off of this sales page. And what I'm going to show you is that the second time I do this, it's going to create a completely different article. So no two articles are the same, which is really good to know as a customer, right? Because you don't want to be creating the same review as one of your competitors, for example, right? You want to know that every review that's created is unique and it's a high quality review as well. So I'm going to come over here to AI Review Engine. By the way, this is basically a freshly installed version of WordPress. The only thing I've done with this WordPress blog is basically install AI Review Engine. So I'm going to come over here. My key is already in there for OpenAI. And I'm going to put in the product URL again, which is, again, the AI Review Engine.live. And my affiliate link is right here. And I'm going to create the post. And we're going to see, it's going to take a moment. And then we're going to see what it comes up with. And compared to the post that we had before. So it should be done any moment now, I believe. I also want to record this in real time so you guys can see how quickly it generates these reviews. And it does take a minute, but it's a heck of a lot quicker than it would be if you were writing these reviews on your own. Believe me, I've done it. That was my full-time job for a while, and you can see it's done here. It's a new review post created. So we're going to dig it out from our post section in WordPress. You can see it already gave it a title, which is interesting. It said Air Review Engine Live instead of AI Review Engine Live. So that's something that we could definitely fix very easily, however. But let's check out the article itself, because that's what really matters. Okay, so this is the new one. This is the new post. You can see it says AI Review Engine Live website review. Now look at how it already starts off differently from our previous post, okay? Our previous post, after thoroughly analyzing the content, etc., I am quite impressed with its features and capabilities. So it's already, what's incredible about this is it's being written up as a review. I didn't even ask for that, but there you go. It's being written up as a review, and I think that speaks to the programming of the plugin. Not only is it using AI, but it's also gearing these articles to be a review style article. So as you can see here, we have two completely different high quality review articles. This one goes, AI Review Engine is a comprehensive website that offers a platform for users to publish and read reviews about various products and services. I mean, this is incredibly accurate. Now, and you even get this, let's highlight some of the key features of this website. Now, it calls it a website here, and I'm going to show you something in a moment. But you can see how it breaks down the features. You don't have to do that. It does it for you. And we did this in 1 to 2 minutes. And then you have the conclusion down here. Now, what I'm going to do is simply go into my post and just make simple edits. It'll only take a minute or two. Where instead of AI Review Engine Live, we're going to just change that to AI Review Engine. And then at any instance of it calling it a website, we could change to plugin, which it is. It's little things like that to just tweak the review a little bit, but it's a heck of a lot easier than writing a review from scratch. And here's the great thing about it. 4 years ago, and I mentioned this in my first video, 4 years ago when I was doing all of these reviews manually, one of the things one of the things about it is, it would take, I always wanted to scale my business because I was only able to create about three reviews per week on a good week. Well, with this one, you saw how quickly I created this review. I could take every product coming out today. I could grab the sales pages for all of these products, and I could crank out a review for each of them using AI Review Engine. And I know what you probably are thinking right now. Well, isn't everyone else doing the same thing? So I'm going to have a ton of competition. What difference does it make? Well, here's the thing. I mean, this plugin has just come out. It's here on a silver platter for all of us, and it's just such a great opportunity. But out of everyone that let's be realistic, out of everyone that purchased this product, a very, very, very small percent of those people will actually use it beyond a week from now, like on a regular basis, and use it as the core of their new business, like I plan on doing with mine. Um, and and so even unfortunately, um, my video cut off there for a moment, and I lost about 5 minutes of my recording. But anyway, really, that's about it. We're over 10 minutes, and what I wanted to show you is just the initial setup of AI Review Engine and also the functionality, and I believe we accomplished that. So this is really the first step in this journey, and then I'll continue with more videos as I kind of start to set up my blog. My blog, again, it's a fresh install. I haven't even installed the theme and the design yet, so there's still a lot to do. But for now, I just wanted to show you that AI Review Engine is exactly as advertised. Um, if you go to the sales page, it says you can take any URL and create a review from it, and that's completely true. I mean, all I did in this case was take the AI Review Engine sales page and boom, it created a review from that in 90 seconds or less. I would say that's accurate as well. I don't think we were waiting any more than 90 seconds for our post to generate, which is a heck of a lot faster than if you tried to write a review like this manually. And again, each and every review is unique. No two are the same. These are completely different reviews, in fact. And they're talking about the exact same website. So, this is a great opportunity for all of us right here. After you watch this video, please scroll down to the description. I will have a link to the product, and I will also have a step-by-step kind of quick instructions on how to get set up, and also how to make sure that your OpenAI account is loaded with credits so you don't run into the same issue that I did. What I also found a moment ago, while I was trying to get my recording situated again, I went over to my OpenAI account in the credits page where initially I had loaded $10 of credits. And for these two posts I created, it only used 1 cent of credit. I don't know how the credit usage works, but that kind of blew me away because I was expecting like each post would cost me $1 or something like that. No, I've only used 1 cent so far. So don't think like, oh, there's just another thing I have to purchase. In fact, you could probably get away with loading like $1 or two, and there's no need to even load $10 like I did. So anyway, just check out the description after this video, and if you have any questions beyond that, please ask them in the comments section. I'm going to be using this plugin quite a bit, so I should be able to help you out with that. And if you found this video helpful and informational, please like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel. It would really help. Again, I'm starting my business back up after 4 years, so I could use all the help I could get, really. Anyways, thanks again. And with that said, we're going to go ahead and close this out. And again, any questions or comments, please leave them below the video. Thank you very much.